बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा।
The next thing we'll talk about some of the reserved addresses. Like we have seen the IP addresses in classes A, B, C. In that, there are some addresses which are reserved. Like we have discussed that we cannot use class D and the class E addresses because the class D address, which is reserved for multicasting, and the class E address is for R&D. So basically, if I go and try to assign any address from the class C or class D, the device is not going to accept. And we have verified that. Let me quickly verify once again. So if I go to my network places, and if I try to assign an IP address from any class D address, the device is not going to accept. So let me try 225. So the class D address, it's not going to accept. Likewise, if I try class E also, it will not accept. So because they are reserved for multicasting and R&D. Now, similar way, we cannot use the first IP of the range, the network ID, and the last IP of the range, broadcast ID. Because the network ID represents the complete network, broadcast ID to send a broadcast in that network. So we also discussed that in every network, we have a network address, the first and the last address. How to identify all zeros in the host portion, that is your network ID. So you've got 3 host portions, so 3 zeros, and all ones in the host portion, that is your broadcast ID, nothing but all ones here. We have already seen this in the previous sections. And likewise, any address starting with 0 in the first portion is also not a valid address. So if I try to give any address starting with 0 in the first portion, it will not accept. Because you cannot start any IP address with 0. So, but you can use 0 in the next portion. Like this, I can use zeros in the second, third, fourth if required, but I cannot use them in the first portion. So the first portion, the valid addresses will be from 1 to 126 in E class, even though the range we define 0 to 127, but these are the valid addresses. The 127.network is also a reserved address. So in the A class, we have a range, I just said 0 to 127, but the valid range is 1 to 126. Because 0, anything starting with 0 is not valid, and 127.network is reserved for loopback address. So basically, loopback address means it is used for testing the local TCP/IP protocols. So basically, what we'll do is, let's say, what I'll do is I'll just go to the command prompt, and I will try to generate a ping request, like we have discussed the ping. And I'm trying to ping to this loopback address, means 127 dot, any address you can use. I can say 111 or 001, any address. So basically, when I try to ping with any address starting with 127.x, so you get a reply message. Now, basically, these replies are coming from the local machine. So these are not coming from any device which is having an address of 127. It's not like that. So this loopback address is reserved to test the device itself. So just to make sure that your TCP/IP protocols is properly installed and properly working, and your NIC card, the interface cards, these are properly working or not. So sometimes you want to test, like let's say you take an example here, you try to give an IP address to these 2 devices. Let's say I got these 2 devices, and I want to test the connectivity between these 2 devices. So I used a ping command of 192.168.1.2. So let's say I'm not able to get a reply. Now you may doubt that maybe there is a problem with my local TCP/IP protocols not working. Just to confirm that, I can use this 127.loopback. So if I ping, if I'm getting a reply, means it's a confirmation that your Ethernet card, NIC, software is nothing but your TCP/IP protocol softwares, everything is working. Okay, so this address is reserved or designated for the software interface of the PC or the device. So there's no machine or there is no physical connection to this device. So basically there's no device with this address here. So that's the reason if I try to assign a 126.network, so 127.network, sorry, any address with 127, you can see a message clearly says that 127 is not a valid address because they are reserved for the loop back address. So you have to use any address in the range of 1 to 223. 223 is the last address of the C class.